What's up everyone, today we're going to see how to cancel order on Amazon and refund your order on pay balance of Amazon. Firstly, go to the Amazon website using your web browser, and if you already signed in, click Hello, sign in. Once signed in, click on Returns and Orders in the top right corner of the page. This will show a list of your recent Amazon orders. Scroll or search through your orders to find the one you want to cancel, and when you find it, click Cancel Items on the right side of the order. On the next page, choose the item or items you want to cancel from the order and optionally select the reason for cancellation. Now, click Cancel Selected Items in this order to confirm, and Amazon will process the cancellation if the order hasn't shipped yet. If the order is successfully cancelled, Amazon will issue a refund. Refunds might go to your Amazon Pay balance or to your original payment method depending on how you paid. Amazon Pay balance refunds are usually faster. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Amazon order cancelled but money not refunded.